Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I am Constance and thank you for joining me in the next episode of our English class. Today's lesson we are going to be talking about vocabulary, and the word we're going to be dealing with is bilious. Alright, the word bilious. I am Constance once again, and thank you for being here. I would love for you to check out my Patreon account. Please contribute, donate whatever amount you can afford. I would appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, share, and also hit the notification bell so whenever I post a video you will be the first to have it. Alright, so our word here is bilious. And what is the meaning of bilious? It has several meanings, but the most popular meaning is being hungry, bad-tempered, sickeningly unpleasant to look at, and describe things that are of or relating to a bile. To a bile. A bile is irritation, confrontation, anger, upset, quarrel. Alright, so that's what when you say you have a bile with someone. Alright, so to be irritable, to be angry, to be upset, to be in a quarrel. Alright, so the word bilious. When I was growing up, we always hear the word bilious. I'm feeling bilious, so I have to take some medicine. Alright, so you don't go to the doctor for bilious, or some people do go to the doctor for when they're feeling bilious, but sometimes they just take some form of bush and they say that will help them for the bilious feeling. So when you say you're feeling bilious, you're not feeling so well. You're not feeling good in your body. Alright? So I'm feeling bilious. That was the exclamation many persons used to make. Alright, so let's look at some sentence examples of how to use the word bilious. Alright? Some sentence example of how to use the word bilious. Alright, let's see number one. The political leader came under much fire because of his bilious press release on petty crime and road repairs. On petty crime and road repairs. So the political leader came under much fire because of his bilious press release. So here he is, before he tried to console or comfort the people, he's giving out a angry or unpleasant comment about petty crime and road repair. So he's not going to fix the roads right now, or the crimes are too petty, so he's not going to pay attention or put them into law or create any laws around them, because they are only petty crimes. That we know petty crimes grow from petty to more severe. Alright, so let's look at number two. The color scheme of the house seems quite bilious to the new renters. So immediately after moving in, they repainted it. What? They repainted the house because the color schemes look quite bilious. So it describes something that is relating to a boil, or sickeningly unpleasant. Sickeningly unpleasant. So the color scheme of the house doesn't look so attractive. Alright, the color scheme of the house doesn't look so attractive. So it is sickeningly unpleasant. Alright, so bilious to look at. The color scheme of the house, bilious. Seems quite bilious to the new renters. The color scheme of the house seems quite bilious to the renters, to the new renters. So immediately after moving in, they painted it. Alright, they painted the house, repainted the house. Alright, number three. Learning they were going to lose their health insurance, many medical workers became bilious. They had a boil, or bile. This word bile here. They become very hungry. All right, so learning they were going to lose their health insurance, many medical workers became bilious. They became bilious. All right, so they weren't feeling like sick, physically sick, but they were hungry. They were upset. They were irate. All right, they were very irate. So that is the way you could use the word bilious. Bilious. Number 4. Jack's son was thrown into jail because of his bilious behavior. Because of his bilious behavior. So in this case it would be anger or bad tempered. So that being bad tempered, it might destroy someone's what? Property. He might have destroyed someone's property. So bilious behavior. So Jack's son was thrown into jail because of his bilious behavior, his angry behavior, bad temper. Okay, smashing people's car, smashing people windows, breaking down their doors, their valuable property. He might have destroyed because of his bilious behavior. Okay, let's see number 5. Instantly, I felt bilious after drinking the rum punch. So this case, it is having a physical effect on a person. Instantly, I felt bilious. I felt bilious after drinking the rum punch. So in this case, I'm not hungry, or no one is hungry. No one is bad. No one is irritable. No one is bad temper. But in this sentence, it is showing that someone is feeling physically sick. So this is the one that it's often used. I know here in Jamaica, someone say they're feeling bilious. They feel sick. They're not feeling well. So immediately, instantly, I felt bilious after drinking the rum punch. Now let's look at number 6. Dad shouted, "Lord, I'm feeling bilious." So I rushed him to the hospital. Dad shouted, "Lord, I'm feeling bilious." So I rushed him to the hospital. So he's feeling severely bilious, so he has to go to the hospital. So his expression shows that he's feeling extremely or severely bilious, very sick. So he has to be rushed to the hospital. So you see the different ways we can use the word bilious in different sentences. So look at the meaning of the word bilious. Angry, bad-tempered, sickeningly unpleasant to look at, and describe things that are of or relating to a bile. All right? Of or relating to a bile. So like this one with the what? Political leader. That is of relating to a bile. Right? So relating to people getting angry because of his nonchalant or uncaring comment about crime, petty crime, and road work. So you can take away from the meaning and the different meanings and put them in your sentences. Take away from the different meanings. So you have angry, bad-tempered, sickeningly to look at, so like the house that we describe here, and describe something that or of relating to a bile, to a confrontation, an argument, an irritable conversation, or irritable feeling about some form of argument. Alright, so this is it for this class. I thank you for watching. I would love for you to subscribe if you like this video. Please share also and hit the notification bell to see more videos if you like or appreciate these learning and want to these lessons and would like to pass your HALS exam or your CXC exam, or just to improve your vocabulary or your English learning or understanding. My name is Constance once again. Please hit the notification bell for new videos. Sorry about that. Check the description box below for my articles, my comments, my quotes, my links to my book and other social media sites, and most importantly for my Patreon account. Please donate if you can. Whatever, the lowest fee is $5, so I would love your donation, your support. All right, take care, and I would love for you to join me in my next class. Until then, bye bye.